Okay, you guys, I have a story about this. Five Below has these Hot Wheels monster trucks with a ramp. I don't know if you guys go check your Five Belows right now. I recommend it, but I'm surprised the ramps are back. There's this one, Nightshifter. There's Bone Shaker, Totaled. What else do they have? All Fried Up. And guess in case if you don't have those, are all re-releases. But the cool thing is the ramp. The back has nothing. It just says Nightshifter on the back. Mattel. So yeah, go pick that Five Below, guys, if you're interested. Open this one because it looks kind of harder than the normal card. The card's a little small on this one. I got it. Ooh, okay, here's a truck and the ramp. Oh, and the ramp is pretty. Look at the ramp. That's so cool. It has like slime on it. Hot Wheels, it's a green ramp. They'll have different color ramps. This takes me back to Hot Wheels Monster Jam when I had the ramps. So many memories. Here it is. And the Nightshifter, the matte black. I had this one, but I sold it. I'm glad I bought it again. Chrome beadlocks, black rims. Everything's black. Matte black. And then the windows are like yellow. Chrome. The Hot Wheels logo's gold right there. And of course, the taillight printing is red. And the chrome front. And a gray chassis. So I guess go check your local Five Belows and see if you can find these. If you don't have any of these trucks or just for collection. Like, subscribe, comment, share. We have more unboxings coming soon. Oh, actually I have one more truck. Sorry guys, peace out.